guys, this is JOATD. I got me some running boards for my E70 BMW. A guy was selling them on Facebook Marketplace, and I cleaned them up, and I want to see how they're gonna look on my car. I think they're gonna look pretty decent. Go down here to the bottom. Here's the other one. So I got the left and the right side running board, and I got the support brackets which go under the running board. So we're gonna put them on, and we're gonna do a before and after. Guys, so the first step into taking off your side rail for your BMW X5 E70 is to remove the two plastic rivets at the bottom of the fender well, and you're going to do that using a pry tool here. And what you do is you kind of just get up under it like this real good, and then you just pull it off. See that? That's it. And then go down to the next one, get up under it, turn to the side, pull it off. You're gonna have like a little piece right here, but you can just pull that out with a pair of pliers. All right, so now we're at the back of the vehicle, and we're gonna take off the two plastic rivets. But you see it kind of span. So we're gonna take off this one and the one above it. These are a little harder because they're like set in, but if you flip it upside down, you can get up under it. Just same way. Go down to this one. Same way. All right, we got those also. The ones in the front and the ones in the back are off. All right, while you're still at the back of the vehicle, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull off this siding right here. Probably can just pull off with my hand. There we go. So what you wanna do is grab it from this side and pull on it. See, it's loose now. And you're gonna do the same thing with the front. Okay, so now we're at the front, and you're just gonna grab it from inside here. There you go. So I got that whole piece off right there. You gotta get that piece off to be able to get this side railing off, okay? So we got the front out like this, and then if you go down to the back, we got the back off too. Now what we're gonna do is go underneath the vehicle. All right guys, so I'm underneath the vehicle, and you see this push pin here? There are 8 of these. You want to pull all 8 of them out. 1, let's see, 2, 3, 4. We got 5, and then 6, which is missing. 7, that's missing, and then there's one all the way behind that jack support right there. So it's 8 of them. A couple of mine are missing. So what you're gonna do is you're going to take your pry tool again, and you're gonna try your best to get up under it. There you go. So that's one. This is how it looks. And you're gonna do that all the way across. Like I said, it's 8 of them. All right. All right, so we got all the push pins out. All the ones all the way down, out. Now, once you get those out, you have to take off, let's see, you have to take off these. It's supposed to be like a little mud flap right here, but mine's broken off. But you have to take off these two 8mm screws. It's 2 back here And then let's take this off first. And it's 2 in the front. So I'm just gonna take those off. And then take the one back here off. Make sure you keep up with those screws so you don't run them over and put a hole in your tire. There you go. Okay. So this is how they look. Alright guys, so it's only one at the front and it's in this little void right here. And that's an 8mm too, so you want to make sure you take that one out too. There you go. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up both doors. So you open up this one and you're going to open up this one because you need clearance to be able to get this lip here out of here. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your plastic fishbone, and if you look in here, there's a clip right there. You want to pop that clip loose. So you want to, let's see if I can make it. You want to take this fishbone, stick it behind this clip, and pull this clip loose. Let's see. There you go. See that clip out right there? You want to pull that clip out. Now there's clips all the way down this thing, but once you get that one out, you can just pull it loose. Let's see. Now, right here in the front, let's see if I can get a better angle. Right here in the front, you want to pull this loose. This is actually like pushed into the fender. It's like a clip or whatever. It's pushed in there. So what you do is you just grab this thing. Grab the bottom. You got to pull that little piece of, see this right here? This is holding. So you have to pull this down to get this part out of here. Like that. Okay. See how I've already pulled it loose at the bottom, but you want to pull it straight out. Let's see. There you go. See these clips right here? You just want to pull, these are into the fender right here under the bottom, and you're just pulling them out. That's all. All right. Let's see. Once you get that part loose, see, all the rest of them come right on out. And since you've already cut this loose, you can just pull that on off. Move this out the way. There you go. So the old one's off. All right. All right, guys. So as you can see, you have to pull off this. It's a bracket that is under the side rail, because this is a short bracket. The one that needs to go on it is this long bracket here. See how long it is compared to this bracket? It's actually longer, and that's your support bracket, so you know what you step on to get into the car, if that's what you're going to use it for. Mine is just for looks. All right guys, so these bolts here are 13mm bolts, and I think they have Loctite on them. I don't know how much, but I think there's a little Loctite on them. But I'm going to use an impact. You can use a wrench. I'm going to use this Milwaukee impact to take them off. It's just faster. Yeah, see that blue stuff on there? That's Loctite. So all of them have Loctite on them. So I'm guessing if we're going to put these back in, we probably need to put a little Loctite back on them. Okay. but there are some at the bottom also. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10. It's 2 more back there. So it's 10 of them you have to take off, and as soon as you take these off, it's just gonna fall off. All right, so I got it off, and there are 11 bolts, not 10. It was 1 extra one at the back. Now I wanted to let you guys see the height, you know, difference between them. See how low this one is? This is the new one that I'm putting on. The bolt pattern's the same. It'll bolt back up the same. And if you don't know which one goes on what side, right here it says right hand side, and it says it right here too, right hand side. So that's how you know which one goes on which. So I'm gonna get the other one put on and bolted up. And guys, this only bolts up one way. To know if you got it the right way, like I said, there's 10, so it's like 1, 2 like that, and they're like right over top of each other. The one at the back is one by itself. That goes to the back side of the car. So that's how you know if it's, you know, right. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get this bolted up. All right guys, so I got the new one on. You can see how much it protrudes from the vehicle. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start putting the cover on. Now remember, I got the door shut right now, but you wanna open the doors to put the, I guess if you wanna call it shell on. Okay, and I did take out one more rivet. I did take out one more rivet at the back, so it's 3 out in the back, 2 in the front. Now with these mounting bolts, you want to click these off to about 25 Newton meters. Let's see, they're on about 10 now. Let's see, yeah, see, they're still turning. So that's about 25 Newton meters, roughly. And you want to do that to all of them. And then we're going to go ahead and put this side cover back on. All right, so I got it basically on. I'm lining up the clips with the holes. It's kind of hard a little bit. I got the front on first, and then I kind of worked the back, but I got it on, and all it needs to be is pushed on. Just, I got it on, and that's how it looks. Okay, this is the side with it on, and around the corner, this is the side with it off. You guys tell me which one you think's the best. Off. On. All right. JOATD, and I'm out.